Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Custom Cooking coming at you. This is another one of my easy videos, easy barbecue. This is going to be easy barbecue chicken wings. This is just simple preparation I'm doing right now. Some wings, nothing fancy. We're not going to tie them in a bow. We're not going to break them apart into the flats and then into the drummies and all that stuff. Just simple, just for friends and family or whatever. Barbecue chicken wings. Let's get started and show you how it's done. All right, just get you some nice party wings, whatever. These were on sale at the Kroger's for, I think, $2.49 a pound. Usually a pretty good price for me to get for these wings. I'm not gonna break them down at all. You know, if I see some big feathers sticking out, I might pop those off. But one thing you do want to do is get them on like a sheet, on a little riser or something. Let them kind of dry, pat them dry. You don't want to hit them with some duck fat. This sprayed up fat's very important. I guess if you don't have that, you could use some sort of oil or something, but you want to spray this duck fat on there or whatever you've got, and then you want to get both sides. First, most important thing, you want to prep the skin for success, okay? That success being you want to hold the seasoning, but you also want a nice, crispy, crisp as possible, you know, to do without deep frying skin on these chicken wings. So that's what we're doing here, is we're just flipping all these guys over. We'll get the underbelly side of them. Again, this is just a tried and true method here, how to get some great wings on your cooker. All right, so got that all done. Then talk about flavor on the wing, okay? This is not gonna be really a hot wing, it's more of a barbecue wing style. I like to go with a base rub. I'm using an everyday rub right here by Heath Riles. I think that's a good start for a wing. Gives it that little bit of salt, pepper, a little bit of garlicky bite right there on the base, on the skin. Helps to draw a little bit of moisture out of the skin. Okay, so we get that. We'll do the other side in here in just a second. And then look guys, you can't really have a barbecue wing down here in Mississippi without Mississippi grind. You can ask any of the experts about Swine Life. This is the best barbecue chicken wing rub there is. I mean, just in my opinion, but gosh, there's some guys down here who do this. I mean, they're amazing. And this is what they brought to me, this Swine Life Mississippi grind, and told me to try it on some wings. I mean, it's going on a lot of things, but I tell you what, when you do these barbecue style wings, this stuff is amazing. Good on burgers and stuff as well, but that's what we're using. Swine Life Mississippi grind down here. Mississippi, we're gonna get these wings just shook down with this rub here. Remember, we're gonna get both sides. Don't worry about the tips so much because they're just gonna kind of burn. You know, a lot of people cut those off, but again, it's a real simple video here, folks. Simplicity is the key to these recipes. So we're gonna flip the wings over. We're gonna get the other side. Again, simple, real simple here. Get this other side. Come on, tuck your wings in there. Folks trying to jump ship on me. All right, let's get that little bit of the everyday rub on there. Come back with regular Mississippi grind. Y'all can't go wrong with this stuff. I'm just putting that on the wing, getting that seasoning, getting the layers loaded up with flavor. All right, and we'll put these in a cool place, like in the refrigerator. Let them sit 15-20 minutes. Like I said, overnight wouldn't be too bad. You just want to draw that moisture out, let them kind of air dry, let all those ingredients just soak in there, and we'll be ready to put them on the cooker here in just a little bit. All right, so we're out here at the YS640 Udder Smoker, and what I want to do, I want to turn on to get ready for the wings. Turn on. We want to prep this bad boy to about let's see, it's on 350 right now. We'll hit start. I'm gonna let it light up at 350. I'm gonna turn it up to around 375. All right, that's where I like to cook my wings. Want it pretty hot for the wings, so we'll let it cook. Probably take about 30 minutes to heat up. And we'll come in with those wings, y'all. It's gonna be good. All right, y'all. So we're up to about 375, 385-ish on the other YS640. And now it's gonna be time. I want to put these wings on. And I've got them sprayed down good with the duck fat. You'll know that. And I just want to lay them in here. You know, there's no big deal to it. Get them good and spaced out. And I'll tell you what, this thing will cook some wings. I've got lumberjack. You can use whatever pellets you want, you know, lumberjack flavor, but I tend to like with my chicken. Sometimes I mix a little mesquite in with whatever I'm doing. But with this, I'm actually using the pecan blend, but that works well too. But we're going to see about that and get all these bad boys in here. Get everybody loaded up. Get it shut down. I'm going to check this. Check in about 25-30 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been 25 minutes. Let's take a look at them. See what they're looking like. As you say, it's very simple. And they're not done. I just want to see what temp they're at now. 147, 51, 54. Yeah, that's fine. 161. I like to take my chicken wings up above, way up above 165, just because I want to crisp up the outsides, you know, the final goal. So I'm going to flip them right now. Let them go. Man, this thing, the convection, this Yoder smoker, you know, in this Y640 is really helping to cook these and actually crisp up that skin and everything else. So we'll let that go, you know, for just a little bit more. We'll check in about 10 more minutes, okay, guys? Also, they've cooked for a total of about 40 minutes at roughly 375 degrees, something like that. 350 to 375 is what I like to cook them at. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, just do 375. It's hard to overcook a chicken wing as long as you don't burn the outside up. Really, really good. It's set for about 40-45 minutes. As y'all can see, look really, really nice. We're gonna take them off, let them cool just for a little bit. You could sauce them or something if you want, but honestly, I like just the crisp skin. So I'm just gonna leave them just like this. You can always sauce them later if you want. So looking really good right now. Y'all, I'm gonna start taking them off and let them cool just for a minute before we try one. And this plays well, you know, if you want to heat them back up later and stuff. These sauce skin, you know, right now it tends to turn gooey sometimes, but there's nothing wrong with them. Just well seasoned, unsauced barbecue wing. Again, this is just a really simple barbecue wing recipe. We'll let this cool just for a minute and we'll give one a try, y'all. Absolutely delicious. Y'all see this beautiful wing right here? Oh yeah. Pull them in half until drummy off and try it. Crunchy, delicious. Oh yeah. Try some of that flat. It is nice, y'all. Yeah, you gotta give this wing recipe a try. Simple barbecue wings. Thank y'all so much. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all have a good one. Remember, we did 375 for about 45 minutes on these dudes. That's all it took.